Hey guys, today we're going to make walnut meat tacos with vegan cashew cheese. Check us out. The first thing we do, we soak 2 cups of raw cashews in warm water for 2 hours, y'all. Then we drain all the water out of the cashews. Then we dump our cashews into a blender. Don't spill like I did. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1/3 of a cup of nutritional yeast. Add 1 cup of almond or coconut milk. We used coconut milk. Add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Add a half teaspoon of paprika. Add a half teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1 full teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 full teaspoon of salt as well. Also add 1 full teaspoon of crushed red pepper. For some razzle dazzle, sprinkle a little black pepper in there as well. Just a little razzle dazzle. Then we blend it all up. Feel free to add a little more milk if you want it more silky. We went with the chunky style. Blend it on high until you have the consistency that you want. And this is what our final product looked like. You can see the consistency, and it was delicious, let me tell you. First, we take 2 cups of raw walnuts and we soak them in cool water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, drain the walnuts. Whine to your husband about getting the food processor off the top shelf and ask him to put it together for you. Add the walnuts to the food processor, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of diced yellow onion, add a 1/4 cup of liquid aminos or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then we pulse on our food processor until it looks like ground meat. You want to stop and scrape the sides too. I don't like walnuts, but the smell and the taste was amazing. Then we take a whole avocado and we smash it up and season it to our liking. Add the walnut meat. Then we're going to add the pico de gallo, vegan sour cream, smashed avocado, cashew cheese, and I added some hot sauce to mine. And here's our finished product. Y'all, it was so good. That's all you need for these vegan tacos. Everything that I've listed in the description is what you need, and it's less than 300 calories. Try them out. Oh, yeah, I also made nachos with my leftovers.